We're kicking things off in the digital arena today, and the matchup is you versus your overflowing Gmail inbox. Let's run the playbook and take control. You open Gmail on your computer, you hit that little gear up in the top right, and you go straight into See All settings. Along the top, you find your tab, Filters and Blocked Addresses. That's your locker room for email organization. Now we're drawing up the first play, create a new filter. A window pops up, and this is where you call your shot. You can key in who it's from, who it's going to, words in the subject, or a keyword like invoice or your boss's name. You're telling Gmail exactly which emails to guard. Before you commit, you hit search. That's your instant replay. You see which emails match. Too many? Not enough? You tweak the fields until it's dialed in just right. Happy with it? You smash Create Filter and now it's showtime. You choose the action, skip the inbox, mark as read, slap on a label, maybe even delete. You can run multiple actions in one play. Want past messages cleaned up too? Check Also apply filter to matching conversations. And remember, you can always edit or delete filters later. Inbox chaos? The whistle just blew, filters win in a blowout.